Today, we will learn how to control the view of a location in your map. This is how the map will appear when a user selects a specific location. The view consists of 3 key settings: zoom level, map rotation, and 3D effect. To edit the view, follow these steps. Go to a location in the editor and tap Position and View. The map preview will be your primary tool. Tap the preview to start editing. For the zoom level, use the controls in the top right corner to adjust it. To add a 3D effect, right-click on the map and move up or down. To control the rotation, use the compass tool and move it to the sides until you achieve the desired view. You can also right-click anywhere on the map and move to the sides to edit the rotation. Some additional tips. You can also add precise numeric values or use the sliders to control these settings. For consistency, we recommend applying the same view settings across all your locations. To do this quickly, tap the button next to each control to synchronize settings. Ready to explore? Give it a try, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.